Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 5 top stories we are covering. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell. streamflow-pulse-client added to PyPI. The streamflow-pulse-client Python SDK has been officially released on PyPI, providing a lightweight, Pythonic interface for interacting with the Pulse AI agent platform. It supports context manager usage, typed exceptions, and attribute-style resource access, and is built with a single dependency on httpx. The client aligns with the Pulse OpenAPI 3.1 spec, ensuring endpoint consistency, and an async version is planned for release in v3.0. Users can install it via pip and requires Python 3.10 or higher. Japanese letter Snowflake Summit 2026 Platform Keynote #Snowflake Summit Snowflake Summit 2026 kicked off in San Francisco with keynotes highlighting the company's evolution and new AI-driven offerings. The event emphasized Snowflake's foundational principles of handling all data, compute, and users seamlessly, alongside advancements like Snowflake CoCo and Snowflake CoWork for enhanced AI integration. Made a tool to streams changes from Microsoft SQL Server to Apache Kafka. Athena is a lightweight change data capture CDC tool built in Golang that streams database changes from Microsoft SQL Server to Apache Kafka. It simplifies CDC setup by automatically managing configurations and publishing all table changes to a single Kafka topic in an easy-to-process format. Unlike Debezium, Athena requires pre-created Kafka topics and ignores existing data, capturing only new changes. The tool supports SSL-authenticated Kafka brokers and offers straightforward installation through pre-compiled binaries. From silos to service topology, why Netflix built a real-time service map. Netflix developed a real-time service map to visualize and manage its distributed infrastructure more effectively. The system provides a living view of how services interact and depend on each other across the company's microservices architecture. This mapping tool helps engineers better understand system behavior and improve service reliability. The initiative represents Netflix's evolution from static infrastructure views to dynamic, real-time service topology monitoring. How BuildKite operates test analytics at massive scale with Amazon MSK and Amazon Managed Service for Apache Flink. BuildKite leverages Amazon MSK and Amazon Managed Service for Apache Flink to power its test engine analytics platform, processing over 50 billion requests monthly. The system provides real-time test analytics across thousands of builds for major companies like Slack, Reddit, and Airbnb. Test engine aggregates results, identifies flaky tests, and supports parallel execution with detailed metadata tagging. The streaming-first architecture handles massive scale challenges that would overwhelm traditional data infrastructure. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed and I will see you in the next update.